Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2001. The given question is consider a virtual memory system with a FIFO page replacement algorithm or policy for an arbitrary page access pattern. Increasing the number of page faults in main memory will. Okay, so they are saying if we are going to increase the frame number, what will happen? And the most important thing is that they are talking with respect to FIFO, guys. So if you recall, in FIFO there is a small drawback, right? We have discussed this already. So it is nothing but Billiard's NMLA. So what exactly happens in Billiard's NMLA is, so if the number of frames are increased, so assume that here we are having 3 frames, here we are having 4 frames, but we can never say the relation in between these faults, guys. So here there could be 10 faults and here there could be 9 faults and here there could be 10 faults also. So the faults might also increase, or the faults might decrease, or the faults might be same also. So these type of things are possible in a FIFO, guys, only in FIFO, to be clear, right? Yes. So with that analysis, what we can say, so we might say sometimes it might increase the page faults. So we cannot say always, or we cannot say never it is going to affect. So C is the most potential correct answer, right? Yes. So this is also a direct question based on Billiard's NMLA. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.